Got a light? I do. And today, I'm going to show you how I attach it to my bench when I need it. Hey, Todd Wolfe of Made by Wolfe, and we are here with another 2-minute tip. Today we're talking about lighting the workbench. One of the things that's true, if we want to make things well, we have to be able to see what we're making well. For years I've set up different things when I've needed it or gone without the lighting that I needed at the workbench, but one of the things I did a few years back was that I decided to take advantage of my bench dog holes in order to hold my lighting at my workbench. And so I took a very common desk light, got rid of the plastic base, and instead I mounted it on a bench dog or something that was cut out to fit into my bench dog holes. And so now it's simply a process of removing the bench dog that is in that hole, placing the light down into that hole, and then I have the light that I need to light up the stuff that I'm working on. It articulates, I can move it wherever I need to, I can put it in a different hole, I can work at the vise on the other end if I'm there. If I'm working in the middle of the table, I just move it to another bench dog hole. And this has been a great way, particularly as I'm getting older and my vision is not as great as it was when I was 20 and I need more light out there to be able to see the things that I used to see, and all of a sudden you got bifocals and you're working with those new challenges as we get older. Having proper light makes all the difference in the world. This was a simple addition. Now I have traditional bench dogs here in my workbench. But even if you don't have the traditional bench dog, but you have the new round bench dogs, the only thing that you would need to do with that is to make sure you have a washer on top of that or something so that doesn't fall all the way through. But that's something that would be fairly easily engineered to come up with something that would go down into that bench dog hole, the round bench dog hole, and hold that. This is what I've done, just taking a piece of wood. So, Todd Wolfe with Made by Wolfe. Hope this 2-minute tip was encouraging to you, and I'm encouraging you to go out there and make something today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also check out the channel for other 2-minute tips as well as tool reviews, videos from around the shop, and videos about making things. This is Todd Wolfe with Made by Wolfe, encouraging you to get out there and make something today.